I will now be running through level 4 of the 3D logo quiz. Again, I'll be running through pretty fast because I know that you can just pause the video. So here goes. You've got Sega, Pirelli, you've got Caterpillar, you've got Sharp, PayPal, you've got Head, you've got Compaq, Boston Celtics, you've got Bank of America, Kleenex, New York Times, we have HTC, you've got Chelsea Football Club, you've got JBL, BBC, Eurosport, we've got Lotto, we have Barcelona Football Club, Evian, we've got ESPN, we have KLM, Goodyear, we have PokerStars, we've got Bridgestone, Ray-Ban, we have Chase Bank, Subway, we've got OAO Gazprom, we've got Carrefour, we've got Siemens, AXA, we have Cisco, we've got Nissan, we have NEC, and we have Kappa. Level 5 coming up next.